Hello, welcome to Say's channel. This is just a brief rundown of my day whenever I'm attending court in Akure, Ondo State. If you haven't seen the first part of this video on my trip from Lagos to Akure, you can refer to the link below, and please do not forget to subscribe. I'm halfway through getting ready. That cream is my acne treatment. I will do a video on how I got my face from being a disaster to this point. I always like to do very light makeup because I hate to stain my colorette, and besides it's hot. Sober is the watchword. So I'm doing my brows. Oh my god, just imagine the struggles of a short-sighted person. So light makeup, just my brows, my eyeliner, little spot concealer, and lip gloss. Not to brag, but let me just add it here that I made this skirt myself. It's a piece from my work of my hands series, so stay with me on this channel and I'll be showing you how I make many other items myself. It's that simple. I'm ready. So collarette check, jacket check, shoes check, and nappy. It's about 8 a.m. now and I'm heading down for breakfast because court is at 9. What do we have here? Watermelon, ew, boiled plantain, boiled eggs, spaghetti. Trap, don't mind me, I didn't fall for that trap. What's this? Fish sauce, egg sauce, boiled potatoes, stewed beans, custard. Well, I went with the safer bet. Egg sauce. At about 8:35 a.m. I'm typically on the way to court because it's a short drive from the hotel to the court. Okay, pause. First of all, my brows are giving. I didn't even have much time. Okay, second, I may not be able to show you court proceedings, but here's the gist. Our matter was for adoption of final addresses. That's like the last stage of proceedings before judgment is given in any matter. It is typically supposed to be uneventful, but this time we had plenty of legalese flying around, which made us finish at about 10 o'clock. That's 1 whole hour for one matter. It's considered long for final addresses. It's quite long. Hello, I just got back from court, but I didn't just get back. I got back about an hour ago. And I thought I was going to catch some sleep, but somehow I did not. I don't even know what I was doing. I didn't even sleep all night. Like, you can tell from my eyes. I didn't sleep all night. So, let me see if I can try to catch a nap for about 45 minutes before I leave here. Then I'll get up and pack up because I don't want to rush. I need to be out of here shortly. So I'll be back. It's about 12:30 and I'm ready to check out. The departure flight is 3 p.m. and unlike Lagos, you don't really have traffic to worry about. So before that, we usually have lunch. Today's lunch is going to be inyon. Inyon is pounded yam in Yoruba language. Our trusted cabman takes us to popular joints for local meals, and he does a very good job at that. So this is inyon, with efo and ogufe, that is vegetable soup and goat mix. The onion was so tiny. I ended up having an extra wrap and it was totally worth it. I don't even regret it. After lunch, we head out to the airport. Usually very short drive, not so short, but not as long or as tedious as Lagos. We get on our flight and we land in Lagos. And that's about it for a typical out of station work day in Akure. Thanks for watching. Bye.